Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to watch the ReelShort app for free. So if you want to watch the ReelShort app for the free or watch the movies or the series in the ReelShort app for free but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the ReelShort app on your device. So if you have not installed the ReelShort app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the ReelShort app, and this is the homepage of ReelShort where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. So let's say if you want to watch this full video on the ReelShort app for free but you don't know how to do it, then you just need to go to Google Chrome or Safari on a device, and from here you just need to type in Dailymotion or any other third-party website which you know. So after typing the third-party website which you know, you just need to remember the name of the series, and from here you just need to search the series on that website, and if that is available then you will be able to watch it for free. So that's it. That's how you can watch the full series or movies on the ReelShort app for free. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.